Huawei has launched the Huawei Mate XT triple foldable smartphone, and it is getting an overwhelming response that the phone maker itself was not expecting in the first place. Let me tell you what actually happened. Well, Huawei began Mate XT's reservations on September 7 and registered more than 2 million people in the first 2 days. And by September 9, reservations exceeded the 3 million mark, which was already a lot for the company. And do you know what happened after the launch? Well, the company's official online store listing has now more than 4.5 million reservations for the latest foldable device after its launch, and the number keeps on increasing. I feel like by now there must have been more than 5 million reservations. So 5 million mark is a lot for the company. Like, this is a massive response from the customers looking forward to the extra premium smartphone. However, supply chain sources from China suggest Huawei initially planned moderate preparations for this new device. Huawei thought that since this device is bringing something entirely new to the market for the first time, it might not sell in large numbers. Plus, it's a very premium device with a higher price tag, so it seemed likely that there would be fewer buyers. But that didn't happen. People in China are liking this phone really much. Huawei had only produced 1 million units for this phone, which is now far from sufficient. So the company will need to ramp up production quickly to meet the demand. On the other hand though, Apple has also launched its iPhone 16. As I mentioned earlier, Huawei intentionally scheduled its launch event alongside Apple's to draw attention away from the iPhone, and that's exactly what happened. According to some sources, the Chinese audience wasn't as attracted to the iPhone 16 and found Huawei's phone more appealing. I believe the iPhone 16 will perform well globally, but in China, it seems Apple is losing ground to Huawei. What do you think about it? Well, let me know your thoughts on it in the comment section below. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.